أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Yes.
Mim zabar ma, fa zabar fa, ma
Is it
fa
alone? Fa will go alone or carry someone?
is killing someone. Fa alif zabar fa, ma fa. Rod rodu zabaran zadu zabar zan mafazan
Mafazan.
mafazan
Waqfan.
wakufan mafaza
Yes.
mim zermi
Yes.
mukata ain
It has two eyes.
ta
No. So this is ha.
ha kara sabar ha
Yes.
miha
Yes.
it's like a name.
Yes. They name sometimes their girls Maha. Yes. And this is Miha.
Yeah, like Mia. Somebody in my old class in first grade was named Mia.
So was she a non-Muslim, kind of Hindu or something?
No, she wasn't Muslim because technically in English it kind of makes sense. She was very quiet. I don't know if she's Spanish because Spanish people feel like they're really quiet.
Okay. So her name was Mia.
Yes.
Okay. Miha.
Miha.
And then
Wakufan.
no. It remains.
Yeah. Dal. Do we add the alif?
No.
Dal do zabardan. Mihadan.
Standing fatha, long, long, long. Miha.
Miha.
Yes.
Mihadan.
Yes.
Wakufan.
Miha. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Mihada.
Shabash. Next.
एक सेकेंड वो क्या था नून नहीं बा
Yes. No. Noon.
या बा अलिफ जबर बा ना बा ता दू ता अलिफ
No, alif will not be mentioned during the hijjah. During the spelling, we don't mention alif that is adjacent to do zabar. The alif that comes after do zabar never be mentioned in the hijjah, in the spells. Ta do zabartan, like we did in mehadan, we didn't mention the name of alif. Okay. Ta do zabartan.
तारू जबरदन
Nabatan.
nabatan wakufan mat na nabata.
Yes.
Wow, do um there win.
No, this is single zabar.
Wow, wow, there win.
Wow, zerwi.
Wow, there we um fad alif zabar fa um we fa what कहता kof do zabar kan what कहता wifadan
Wifaqan.
wifaqan wagufan wifaq
Wifaqa.
wifaqan.
Yes.
Um, 8 seconds. Um, which one now? Oh yeah. Stapishu. Bapish bu. Bawal pish bu. What कहता Sibu.
Subu.
Subu. What कहता Roll. There. Li. Ro alif. Rodu zeri. Rin.
Is it Zair?
No. Zabar.
Okay. Rado Zabar.
Run.
Okay.
Um. Sweeper run.
Suburan.
Tubu run.
Waqfan.
Wakufan. Subu.
Subura.
Subu.
Suburan.
Suburan.
Waqfan. Subura.
Wakufan. Subura.
Okay.
Next wala.
Yes.
Roll zeri. Rozabara.
Yes.
Sin pe sin wow fish su rosu
Okay.
lam du zeli rusu rusuli
Rasulin.
rasulin
Waqfan. Rasul.
wakufan rasul sin pe su
Ah.
hawa
Yes. Yes. Yes.
hawa fish shu
Yes.
daldo fish tan shuhudan wakufan shuhud in kof fish ku
G.
ha fish hu
This is not
hu
ha.
oh yeah ein wow fish hu
Yes.
alhamdulillah.
Yarhamkillah. MashaAllah. Zabardast. You remember the things and you use them. You follow them on the appropriate time. You are a genius kid, mashallah. Okay.
um
Qaf pesh ru, ain waw pesh ru.
wow
Qaf pesh
wow I mean वो क्या था
qaf.
and wow fish ooh um
Uru.
kuru
This is
dalu
ain, not ra. Okay. Uru.
uru
Qu.
ooh
Yes. The real sound is ru. Uru. Ain.
uru
No, but never mix it with raw sound. Quru. Quru is wrong. Quru.
ooh
Quu. Okay, say quu.
ooh
Yes.
um dalu fish
Yes.
dun ooh dun wakufan
Qu'ud.
ooh
Shabash.